Oh no, Vincenzo. I was swimming through the bottom of the ocean because of the La Nina in the Pacific. And as you can see and hear right now, we have a heavy rain in the Romeo metropolitan area. And that angry shark is looking for you. He's still talking about the Waco incident and the gold bullion. Look out, Vincenzo! Fucking Vincenzo, you think you can get away from me? Huh? Cause you haven't heard from me in a while. Why you just got out of jail? The fucking FBI Waco style. Fucker! You're being fucking in jail because you're a scumbag sitting in these useless meetings for 2 hours. I got police icing it in the gold and silver bullion market. I told you to go there to make up some gangs, and now I just got released and I'm after you behind every window. Ah! Really go down. Let's take a look at this. We'll do 2 coins for you real quick. This guy wanted CELO. I asked him this morning. He was watching the morning radio show. So we'll go look at CELO real quick. And then, because this has got to be quick because I'm on my lunch. I got a half hour left. Right? You can see CELO. It's got to finish this pattern. So we're going to put our industry exclusive drawing to, or measuring, or perching tool actually. Get the fuck up there. So you can see this is a neckline. It's a slanted neckline. It's a slanted head and shoulders. You can see that's your neckline, which it did break. And you can see very clearly, and this is in the hour time frame, you had a head or a left shoulder, and you had your head, and then you had your right shoulder, and then you had your horizontal neckline, right? And your targeted move, as you know, head and shoulders are topping reversal patterns. They're bearish reversal patterns of head and shoulder. You go from the top of the head to the neckline, and since it's slanted, we'll go slanted. Then you bring it to the point of a breakout, and you can see your target out of this head and shoulders. It's about halfway there. It's got to come down to about $2 to confirm this head and shoulders pattern, to confirm and finish its move before it can start going up, if it's going to go up after it finishes this. But to finish this head and shoulders topping reversal pattern in the hour time frame, your target's right there, right? It's about $2 even, but I think you would come down here to at least double bottom with that, which happened not that long ago, only a couple days ago, about 10 days ago, right? So you're going to trade down here, I think. You got to confirm this. You got to finish the move. You're almost there. And that would be my short-term target, is down here. Short-term is very bearish. We got to come down in percentage with our industry exclusive. Nobody else has this measuring tool, right? Only Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing has this. From current price, wow, that's a big price. You still got 32% down to finish the topping reversal pattern, the head and shoulders pattern, topping pattern, because the head and shoulders are topping patterns. You can see the volume, our momentum is all in the negative, right? So CELO, bam. And then XRP, because everybody likes that. You can see XRP is hit our overhead resistance with our industry exclusive perching tool. And we're going to perch from the 200-day moving average, which is right in the middle of the field. And remember, look at me right here as I pivot. I can watch all my lower jabronis down here. Jabroni. My upper jabronis. Jabroni, right? These are all jabronis. And we told you, you're only a jabroni here if you bought and then rolled the pump like we drew out back here on the 26th, the 26th of June, 2021, a few days in advance. And we said 0.73508, which is right there, our upper resistance, that's where you'd get fall, because the volume is still crashing. Fuck's my volume at? There it is. The volume is still crashing. Our indicators down here are bearish. So we told you as we pivot like a hawk, watching these jabronis. We said you would get rejected right here, and then bam, you got shot down by the jabroni killer trying to fly off in the duck utopia, but bam, got shot right in the fucking head, and you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall at least to here, but I think you're gonna fall all the way down. This is your pattern. You could bounce off of here, which is about 56 cents, and then come back up to there. But then I think short term, 43 cents is ultimately where you're going before you even see any of that. You're coming down now. And then let's go to B2 Gold. Where are we at B2 Gold? Because we have a head and shoulders, and we're almost filled it. So this one's, I think, on the 4-hour time frame. It's actually fucking much further out. It's on the weekly time frame. So let's clean this disaster up. We see what we got. We already know what's going on up there. That's where I think we're going to go. Where's this head and shoulders? It was the daily time frame. Maybe the 4-hourly. But you can see this beautifully. I mean, it's not really a prototypical head and shoulders, but I'm going to say it is because that's what it seems like we're trying. You got your bull flag there that you're trying to confirm underneath support now, but you had a left shoulder, really big elongated head, and then a right shoulder, right? It was actually here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. There's your head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, and then your neckline's right there in the daily time frame, and then your targeted move with our industry exclusive perching tool is from the top of the head to the neckline, which is about right there, and then the point of holy fuck, a little bit more down than I thought. Then to the point of a breakout. No, so we're almost there. $3 and about 30 cents to fulfill this head and shoulders topping. They don't always have to meet it. You can see we have a short-term track down there where it's saying we should start bottoming, but we're running down. So we could have more. We could be in for some more pain in B2 Gold. From current price, I think we're right about there. We could have another 20% down, and that would fulfill this. What might not even be a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, but to me it looks enough like one that I'm going to say it is, and I'm going to play it as such. But we're back testing this old bull flag that we're in since August of 2020, right? Almost a full year. We're 11 months into this now. And then we broke out of it here, and then we ran out of steam, and now we're back testing it, which is normal. And if we can hold this and start popping, we can continue the bull run, right? But we could come all the way down there to fulfill that head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. And if we do, I will be doubling up on my shares down there. I have 300, or what is that, 300 on Robinhood, so I'd buy 300 more. You know what I'm saying? Got to stay fucking up to date on these because I'm not selling. I am in for the long haul. We can see the US dollar is still rising. The government bonds have stabilized. Platinum is up. Gold and silver were up, but they sold off immediately because there's still a lot of sell pressure. So we'll keep an eye on this all for you. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.